Alrighty, folks. We're back with a short update here. The market hasn't been doing a whole lot. It has come down in our favor for the short position, but I didn't like the fact that I kind of didn't really know which way the market was going to go, so I didn't put a lot of money into the short because I wanted to kind of let the market decide and give a quick little update in a day or two like this, just to make that adjustment. And unfortunately, my day job here is in EMS, and if you were watching and paying attention before, you may have saw another video that I had to delete because we had a quick medical call that we ended up getting disregarded on, thankfully. So I've already kind of done the action, so let's go back over what I did. So what I did do was take an additional $10 BUSD and swap that into Bitcoin, effectively lowering our cost of entry since the market has come down. So that average dollar cost averaged our price of entry to Bitcoin down. And then I did a trade that only took $6.50 effectively from us. But that was a 3x leverage that brought us up to now a $42.50 USD exposure to Bitcoin. So that by adding to our short position over here, we increased our exposure to Bitcoin short using 3x leverage. So now our entry price is 39,912 with the liquidation price of being up at 49,546. So we have quite a bit of movement we can do still here. But what that effectively did was lower our 3x. We know we're just a little bit under 3x leverage now. But I wanted to get a little bit more exposure. I wanted to be more balanced because I'm not exactly positive on this market right now. But the whole point of this kind of trading is to not necessarily have a bias. And and so as you can see, we are now $59 on the long side of Bitcoin, and we are exposed to $42 on the short side. If we're talking in BUSD equivalents, just to keep things nice. And then we still have $15 left that will just add to either side here once the market decides it wants to move. If it drops a little lower, we may buy next time $5 worth more of Bitcoin just to keep that price of entry coming down with us. And then eventually, if we do drop quite a bit, like if we break this pivot down here and keep going lower, we'll be able to remove some of this margin and then buy more Bitcoin. Because once we remove margin, that'll give us BUSD, and then we'll just go buy more Bitcoin, bringing that dollar cost averaging again down, and then do the opposite on a rally day. So that's all we have to do, folks. Is every couple days, like it's been a couple days with the market just not really moving much here. We finally had to. I just decided to do this because we really didn't have to make an adjustment yet. We could let this market come down to this pivot point here, and because I'm assuming we're going to test that level again. So 38,000 is on the Bitcoin side of prices is easily on my radar. So that's why I don't want to fully commit and take the rest of that $15 and just drop it down on either side yet. I want to have just a little bit left, and then we'll let the price move on us, and we'll adjust accordingly. So that's what it's looking like, folks. So take a look down in the description below if you want to join along with $50, $100 worth of trading. That would be great. I believe we both benefit if you use my affiliate link down below, and also join us in Discord. We talk about trading coins, sniping launches, getting full nodes set up. Try to keep things going. I talk about arbitration and on both the DEX and the centralized exchanges sometimes. And I've got a channel now for the basis trading that I'm doing here. So join us in Discord. The link is down below. And I will catch you in that next video, folks.